Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I hope you all are happy in your home. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class, third chapter, integral calculus 2, exercise 3 problems we have completed in our last class. I asked you to learn and write in your rough note. I hope you all of you learn. So let's move to our class today, problem number 4. Okay, please read out the question from your book. A company receives a shipment of 500 scooters every 30 days. From experience, it is known that the inventory on hand is related to the number of days X. Since the shipment I of X equal to value is given, the daily holding cost per scooter is also given. Determine the total cost for maintaining inventory for 30 days. Students, listen here. When we are learning our examples, I taught one formula for cost of maintaining the inventory. That is total cost of maintaining the inventory. We have learned one formula. We are going to use the formula. That's okay. Total cost of inventory, you have learned one formula, that is C1 into integral. Here the limit is, listen to the question, 30 days. Okay, so what's the limit? 30 days. That is 0 to 30. Understand? 30 days is given. So 0 to 30. So 0 to 30 I of x dx. This is a formula. So C1 also the value is given in your question, 0.3. Listen whether it is given. Yes. The daily holding cost per scooter, that is C1 value also given. Substitute here. So 0.3 into integral of 0 to 30 I value 500 minus 0.03 x square dx. Now integrate it. That's equal to 0.3 into integral of 0 to 30. Integrating time 500 x minus 0.03 x square. Sorry, x cube, is it right? X cube by 3. Okay. So equal to 0.3 into, apply the limit, 500 into 30 minus 0.03 into 30 cube divided by 3 minus this one, everything will be 0. When you are substituting the lower limit, it will be 0. So now we 0.3, you can use the calculator. I am writing just the value. If you multiply 15,000 minus, here you can cancel 3 and this one, if you cancel means 0.01. If you multiply this 2, you will get 0.01 into 30 cube means 27, 3 zeros will be there. Then simplify 0.3 into 15,000 minus 270. Okay, that's equal to 0.3 into, subtract it, 14730. That's equal to 4419 rupees. What they ask, determine the total cost. Okay, that is total cost of maintaining inventory. Maintaining inventory equal to 4419 rupees. Very easy. Just I wrote the formula for finding total cost of inventory. C1 the value cost is given. Limit up to 30, that is 30 days, that is 0 to 30. I the value is given. Just substitute in the formula and simplify and find out the value. The total cost of maintaining the inventory. You have come down the answer. Understand, students? Shall we move to the next question? Problem number 5. I am reading the question from your book. An account fetches interest at the rate of 5% per annum, compounded continuously, and individual deposits rupees 1000 each year in this account. How much will be in the account after 5 years? Okay, so an account fetches interest at the rate of 5% per annum, compounded continuously, and individual deposits rupees 1000 each year in this account. How much will be in the account after 5 years? Okay, So amount of annuity, is it right? So amount of annuity of n payments formula you need to use. That is, in your question it is given an amount fetches interest at the rate of per annum. So you are going to use that annuity in that formula. So first you will write the formula, that is amount of annuity after n payments. A equal to, the formula is 0 to n p e power rt dt. You have learned the formula already. So now you are going to substitute all the value. P value, the amount is given as 1000. R value, it is given as 5%, I think so. Correct? 5%. 5% means 5 by 100. Okay. So all the values are given. You just substitute in the formula. That is what they asked for after 5 years. So what's the n value? N value 5. Substitute there. A is equal to 0 to 5,000 e power 5 by 100 into t dt. Now apply the limit. That's equal to, first you integrate. 1000 is a constant. 0 to 5 e power 0.05 t. Correct? dt. Integrate it and apply the limit. That's equal to 1000 into e power 0.05 t divided by 0.05. The limit is from 0 to 5. Apply the value. 1000 into, this also a constant, you can bring it outside. E power 0.05 into 5 minus e power 0.05 into 0. That's equal to, if you divide means it is 1000 divided by 0.05, numerator and denominator, you multiply with 100, that's equal to e power 0.25 minus 1. Okay, so here what will happen, ma? So 2 points it will go afterwards, is it right? So if you cancel means you will get the value as 20,000 into e power 0.25. The value is given in your question 1.28. The value is given in your question. Okay, question 1 minus 1. That's equal to 20,000 into 0.284. Multiply 5680 rupees. This is the answer for this problem. A equal to, just this is also very easy. Just we need to know the formula for amount of annuity after n payments. All the values are given. Just to substitute all the value. You will have a doubt. This value, how many we got this value? That is e power 0.25. The value is given in your question. So I substituted that. Understand, students? Hope you got good idea. We will move to the next problem. Problem number 6. Okay. The marginal cost function of a product is given by a marginal cost of a product, that is dc by dx. The value is given where x is the output. Obtain the total and the average cost function of the firm under the assumption that is a fixed cost, that is k value. That's a fixed cost. It is given as 500. We need to find the total cost as well as average cost function. So average cost function, you know the formula. What's the average cost function? Total cost divided by x. Okay, so it's also very easy. So given dc by dx, the value is given as 100 minus 10x plus 0.1 x square. Check it once. 100 minus 10x plus 0.1 into x square. Now you can separate it and afterwards integrate it. So dc equal to, you can integrate 100 minus 10x plus 0.1 x square into dx. Bring this dx to this side. So dc, when you are integrating, what's the value? C. Integrate each and everything. 100x minus 10x square by 2 plus 0.1 into x cube by 3 plus 1 constant, that is k. So this and this will get cancelled. 5. So what's the cost? 100x minus 5x square plus 0.1 x cube divided by 3 plus k. So here K is a fixed cost. Okay, K is a fixed cost. It is given as the value is given. Fixed cost, that is K is equal to 500. It is given in your question. Okay. Now substitute this value in 1. So C is equal to 100x minus 5x square plus 0.1x cube divided by 3 plus 500. So this is a value for total cost, but you need to find average cost also. So average cost AC is equal to C by X. Substitute the value, find out 100x minus 5x square plus 0.1x cube divided by 3 plus 500 divided by x. So each and every term divide by x ma 100 minus 5x plus 0.1 x square by 3 plus 500 divided by x. This is average cost. In your question, they asked you to find, they asked you to find the total and average cost function. So this is answer for average cost function. This is answer for total cost function. Understand that much? Have you got it? Okay. Let's move to the next question. 7. Listen to the question. The marginal cost function MC is given and fixed cost, that is K value is 0. Okay. Find out the total cost and average cost function. Same as this problem. Here the marginal cost is given. So marginal cost means what's the meaning? MC means DC by DX. You have learned. So that's the value given. So afterwards from that find out the C value and afterwards AC. So same as this problem. So we'll do. Okay. Given MC, marginal cost. Okay. That's equal to DC by DX. So DC by DX, the value is given in your question, 300 x power 2 by 5. Now you can bring it to this side and integrate. DC equal to integral of 300 x power 2 by 5 dx. Now integrate. C is equal to 300 is a constant. You can bring it outside. X power 2 by 5 dx. So x power n formula. So C equal to 300 into x power 2 by 5 plus 1 divided by 2 by 5 plus 1 constant. So C is equal to 300 into x power 7 by 5 divided by 7 by 5 plus k. Bring this to here. C equal to 300 into 5 by 7 into x power 7 by 5 plus k. So if you multiply means you will get C equal to 1500 divided by 7 x power 7 by 5 plus k. Given fixed cost k equal to 0, is it right? Fixed cost k equal to 0, it's given in your question. So C equal to 7 x power 7 by 5 plus 0, is it right? So this is a value for C, first answer. They asked average cost also. Average cost means C by x. Find out 1500 divided by 7 x power 7 by 5 divided by x. So if we are dividing by x, what will happen? 1500 divided by 7 x power 7 by 5. Denominator x is there. So if you are bringing to numerator, it will change as minus 1. Correct? So 1500 divided by 7 x power 2 by 5 you will get. So this is answer for average cost. So this is average cost. This is total cost. So here you will have it out. How it is x power 2 by 5. 7 by 5 minus 1. So 7 minus 5 means 2 by 5 will get. Understand, students? Okay, I hope you got it. Let's go to next question. Okay, I am reading the question. If the marginal cost function of x units of output a by square root of ax plus b, and if the cost of output is 0, find the total cost as a function of x. Okay, so dc by dx. Here also marginal cost function. So marginal cost function means nothing but dc by dx. You need to find the c value, that is find the total cost. So you need to find the value for c. Okay, solution. Listen very carefully. Marginal cost is given as dc by dx. So what's the value of dc by dx? Is equal to a by square root of ax plus b. Okay, so now you can bring this to the side and you can integrate. So integration of dc, integration of a by square root of ax plus b into dx. This a is a constant, so c equal to a into integral of 1 by square root of ax plus b dx. So c is equal to a into integral of, shall we bring this to numerator, that is 1 by ax plus b the whole power 1 by 2 dx equal to c equal to a into, this one you can bring to the numerator, ax plus b the whole power minus 1 by 2 dx. So c equal to a into integrate ma, ax plus b the whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, then you need to divide by the coefficient of x. So what's the coefficient of x? A. Is it right? Plus 1 constant plus k. So this and this will get cancelled. So what's the value? C equal to, a into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Is it right? So what's the value you get? Ax plus b the whole power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus k. So if you bring this 1 by 2 here, c equal to 2 into ax plus b the whole power 1 by 2 plus k. Take it as equation number 1. Okay, so when output c equal to 0 means x is also 0. Okay, now substitute this in equation number 1. This is all you have learned in examples. So c 0 means 2 into a into 0 plus b power 1 by 2 equal plus k. So what is the value? 2 into b power 1 by 2 plus k you will get. Is it right? Yes. So what's the value? K is equal to minus 2 b power 1 by 2. So k equal to minus 2 root of b. Correct? This is a k value. Now you substitute this in equation number 1. Substitute c equal to 2 into ax plus b the whole power 1 by 2 minus 2 root b. So how will you write? 2 into square root of ax plus b minus 2 root b. This only you need to find. Okay, understand? All of you got it? Hope you got it. So mc equal to dc by dx. So mc means dc by dx. Integrated, bring the one side. So here you need to be very careful when you are integrating. X for what's the coefficient? You need to divide by the particular coefficient. So a and a get cancelled. X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, so get the c when cost of the output is equal to. That is, it's given in a question. That is cost of output c 0 means x also 0. So afterwards substitute there. From that find out the k value and substitute in equation number 1. You will get the answer. Understand? Okay. So I think one more problem we will do now. Problem number 9. Reading the question. Determine the cost of producing 200 air conditioners if the marginal cost is per unit. C dash of x value is given. So it's very easy. So C dash of x means it is nothing but dc by dx. Correct? Is equal to the value is given as x square by 200 plus 4. Okay. So dc if you bring it here, bring that to that side. So x square by 200 plus 4 into dx. Okay. So integrate on both sides. Integration of dc equal to integral of x square by 200 plus 4 into dx. So c is equal to integrated x cube by 3 into 200 plus 4x plus 1 constant. Okay. So c is equal to x cube by 600 plus 4x plus k. This is equation number 1. Here they said, you know, is it right? Then c is equal to 0, x also 0. Substitute in 1, what will happen? 0 equal to, this will become 0, then k equal to 0. Say k equal to 0. Substitute in 1 implies c C is equal to x cube by 600 plus 4x. So, in your question, they asked for 200. Is it right? Cost of producing how many air conditioner? 200 air conditioners. So, in the place of x, you need to substitute 200. So, 200 into 200 into 200. Correct? Divided by 600 plus 4 into 200. Now, you simplify. This will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. 3. So, if we multiply and divide, you can just know. So, C is equal to 4000 plus 2400 divided by 3. If you find out the answer, you will get a C equal to 14133.33 rupees. Check it by using the calculator. Understand? So, very easy. These are all the things you can do in homework. So, anyway, if I am leaving as homework means you won't touch it. Is it right? You think that this will be very hard. We don't know anything. So, because of that, I am doing it. Okay. So, how you need to do? C dash of x, the value is given as dc by dx. Okay, that's equal to this given value. So, dc you can keep it this side, dx to that side, integrate on both sides, you will get c. So, when c equal to 0 means x equal to 0, substitute in 1, k equal to something you will get. So, if you substitute the k value in equation number 1, afterwards cost of producing 200 air conditioners you need to find. So, in the place of x, you need to substitute 200, you will get the answer 14133.33 rupees. Understand? I hope you got it. So, I think today it will be analysis, right? So, how many problems you learn today? 4, 5, 6, 7. Fourth problem is started. So, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 6 problems you have learned. Okay. So, 6 problems are the small problems. Okay. So, at once you take down your thing to the class as well as what you need to do. Everything you need to study and write it in your rough notes also. Then only you will get practice. Otherwise, you will leave this. Understand? You can't learn. So, now itself, please learn it. If you forget this different integration, next unit it will be differentiation. So, it will be everything. It will be reciprocal. Okay. So, from first to last we are doing means the last to first you will do in differential calculus. So, you will confuse a lot. So, before when I am starting the 4th unit, you need to thorough this 2nd unit and 3rd unit. Then only you won't get confusion when we are starting the 4th unit. So, don't think tomorrow we can learn, tomorrow we can learn. Don't leave like that. So, now itself you learn it. Okay. So, that only I am not at all giving the homework. So, this is a work. Every day, take down to class work, notes, study and write it in your notes also. Understand, students? Okay. We will start from problem number 10 in your next class. So, moreover, 10 more problems left in this section. So, we will continue the next class. Be safe, students. We will meet in the next class.